Oh, let's keep walking, sure. I still have one. Another? 14? Oh.
Doritos.
Doritos. Doritos from, I wish we could see the copyright on it. Elder Doritos. Huh. Be back at the car in 15 minutes. We'll drink. Did we go this way last time? Whoa, big ass glass. Right? Can't put this anywhere. I'll have to carry it. Always leave somewhere better than the way you find it. More glass. Grab that.
Even if it's just this piece, it'll mess it up.
Put it in here. Just don't stick your hand in there. It's full of broken glass.
It's just, I know rock salt. Sweat.
Hot. Okay. Get back to the car. Drink some water. Dump some. Oh, we're just gonna drink it. Yeah. Incredible. We gotta see him. What is that? Just saw another lizard. Saw another lizard. Is it 16? Flash, don't. I'm just taking a video of all this. I'll walk back. Look at the whole snake. Okay, so it's 17. 3 away from the stretch goal. Yeah. How long, you asked me how long do I think this has been here? probably over 10,000 years. Like easily over 10,000 years. Because 10,000 years ago, we were in an ice age, and then all of the ice melted. That's when a lot of these rivers, lakes, tributaries, all these waterways were born. Like, they say that Minnesota has 10,000 lakes because there were some really big, oh, another lizard. Really big glaciers that, like, were so heavy, they dug down deep, and then when they all melted, as they were melting, they were moving, like across the so when we were here 20 minutes ago, these paw prints weren't here. And it's some sort of bigger cat. There's Boogie.
So hot.
Yeah. So I think that this was developed from glaciers melting 10,000 plus years ago. Was that 18 or 19? 18 lizards.